of you, this is also an angel number, no, for no, you can you can check it out, no, sa Google, no, to see what's your angel guides, no, message for you, no, mga Cancer natin, right? So what else? So you have gold, no, meron kayong kulay, no, so you have color gold, gold. You have gold, no, so what else? So you have 60, right? No, so yan, no, mga Cancer. So again, no, repeatedly, no, kung makakita kayo ng ganitong mga numbers repeatedly, is you will receive something na positive news, good news, no? Something like that, no? So, within this week, no? Pag nakakita kayo ng repeatedly numbers like this, no? Within this week, no? And you will receive some good news, no? And with this gold, no? Maybe, pwede kayo magsuot ng, kung may gold kayo, o jewelry, no? Isuot nyo, no? Within this week to attract positivity, right? No? So, maganda, meron kayong kulay din dito, no? So, you have gold, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Cancer. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ni Universe, no, Cancer. So, yeah, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Cancer. Message or advice for you ni Universe. So, what is this? So, yan, no, mga Cancer natin dyan. So, you have this, in touch with your body, no? So, sinasabi dito, no, ni Universe, no, ina-advise kayo na to nourish yourself, no, eat healthy foods, no, mag-detox, no, something like that, no, eat fruits, no, kailangan nyo talaga ay siguro din focus kayong right now sa inyong mga sarili, no, mga Cancer, no, nagpapaganda kayo. So, maybe kung ito yung ginagawa nyo ay sinasabi ni Universe na ituloy-tuloy nyo lang. And then for some of you, you have to be alagaan. You have to be fit, no? Something like that. Hindi naman talagang as in sexy, no? But then, physically fit like, no, health, no? Yung baga ay healthy, no? Something like that, no? So, you have to detox then, no? For some of you. Then, of course, fruits, no? Yeah, kailangan nyo. And then, talagang kailangan ay parang siguro for some of you Cancer ay nakakalimutan nyo ng alagaan din yung inyong sarili, right? Because of the stress, no? Around you, no? So, it's time naman din na prioritize din yung sarili mo, no? For some time ay, yeah, no? I-priority mo din, no? Kailangan mo ding alagaan ang iyong sarili, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Cancer, no? So,